Okay, for this section, we were talking about the fill surface function. What it does is it creates a surface from a boundary curve and with internal support curves if necessary. So it could be very useful um, for surface constructions. Now let's take this model example. We're gonna start from 3D sketch to construct the boundary like this. Just roughly draw the boundary of the curve and you can have it. Okay, then we go to fill surface and you can pick your boundary. If you have the select edge chain checked, it will automatically select the full edge chain. If you unselect it, you can actually select all the boundaries one by one. It also works as well. Okay, and if you want more control of your surface that you created, you can go back to your 3D sketch and add more internal supporting. Like this, and go to fill surface, and here you choose pick internal curves and you select those curves here. This will help you to um, get better control of the surface. Well, of course you can add more in between to give you a way better control of the surface, but for this case it should be enough. In other case, if you're looking to construct a planar surface, you can also check here, plane surface. Of course, we don't have a solution for this boundary because it's not meant to be a plane surface. Or in another case, if the boundary is not large enough, or if there's round around the boundary, you want to um, make a bigger surface, you can also check untrimmed surface. It will increase the size of the surface, make it exceeding the boundary that you selected. Okay, so this is how you create the surface. There are other cases. For example, if you're making two connecting surface using the fill surface functions, you will see that you can actually change the condition of each edge from contact to smooth. What it does is that if you choose smooth, it will actually make the two surfaces which are connected on this boundary having the more smooth, how to say, continuous rate. So the two surfaces that you created will be continuous and you will have less roll